Meaning of fa.
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 Fa. The word fa can have multiple meanings. In music, it is the name of the note F. In the fixed system of solmization, it is the fourth note of the scale. In tonic sol Fa, it is the fourth degree of any major scale, also known as the subdominant. Additionally, Fat can be an abbreviation for Fahrenheit, a temperature scale commonly used in the United States. Here is a more detailed description of the different meanings of Fa. Music. In music, Fa is the name of the note F. It is the fourth note of the scale in the fixed system of solmization and the fourth degree of any major scale in tonic sol Fa. Fahrenheit. In the United States, the temperature is commonly measured in degrees Fahrenheit. The abbreviation Fa is often used to refer to this temperature scale.